Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing and shearing the sheep properly. Use clean clippers and a single smooth pass to remove fleece without cutting skin. This preserves staple length and strength. Once done, lay fleeces skirted. Trim away manure, heavy debris, and second cuts, because cleaner fiber needs less washing. Make sure to label and separate breeds or colors for consistent thread later. Consistent input means predictable spinning behavior and fewer surprises downstream. You now clean and align the fiber to make it spinnable. Start with multiple warm baths to remove lanolin and dirt. Use gentle agitation and avoid felting by keeping temperature constant. Once rinsed and nearly dry, card or comb the fiber to align staples and remove neps. If you want consistent thread, blend batches or colors at this stage. Make sure to create sliver or rovings with even thickness, because even input yields even yarn and reduces tension problems when you spin. You finish by turning prepared rovings into durable wool thread. Draft fibers at a steady rate and control twist with your spindle or wheel. More twist increases strength but reduces softness, so pick a balance for intended use. Once you have singles, ply them against each other to neutralize torque and stabilize the yarn. Finally, wash and set the twist by steaming or a warm skein soak. If the yarn kinks or unravels, check inconsistent drafting or residual veg.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.